Hello, and thank you for tuning in to American Classic Motors. Here we are going over a 2016 Dyna Lowrider S. This Lowrider S is equipped with the twin cam 110 cubic inch motor and has a 6-speed transmission. Sounds nice and throaty with the Vance & Hines pipes. This motorcycle also has 1,265 miles. Gotta admit, my ears started ringing a little bit there. You can check out this motorcycle as well as many others at AmericanClassicMotors.com. That is AmericanClassicMotors.com. Or feel free to give us a call. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.